Low wind exercises. Practice to sail clew first and to flip the sail. Note: put hands wide on boom when sailing clew first. Exercise: flip the sail all the way through. Exercise: sail body 360. Perform quick steps around the mast. Sailing on the leeward side of the sail. How to get there? A. Get there by stepping around the mast. B. Get there by sailing upwind and bringing mast forward. Note: release or increase pressure with the backhand. How to get back from leeward sailing. Type 1. Step around the mast. Type 2. Lean rig backward. Put pressure on clew. This is called backwind tack. Type 3. Step behind mast, lean mast forward, release pressure from sail, the board turns downwind, sheet out quickly. This is called backwind jibe. Type 4. Flip the sail 360 degrees. This is the second half of a heli tack.